Commander, ask 20 of your chosen soldiers to get ready. Today itself, in the dense jungle, we'll have to go on an expedition.
Yes, sir. As you wish me to do. How long should we go? How many days' food should we take with us?
From the Ungali market, after crossing the open lands of the jungle, 15 miles to the east, we'll have to climb a mountain. Don't forget to carry a lot of arms and ammunition. Any moment, we can come under the attack of wild animals. With that, we'll also have to teach an evil Viking a good lesson.
That evil Viking? That evil Viking who lived here 1 long month? You're talking about him?
Yes, you guessed him right. That guy has exceeded his limits. After coming to our country, under our very nose, the man is planning to fool us all. In order to keep track of him, I've sent along with him the Maasai leader here called Nampajo. I have told Nampajo, whichever way he goes, he should draw crosses either on trees or on the ground, so that no matter how far they go, it won't be difficult for us to find their way and to follow them.
Should we take anything else apart from weapons and foods?
Yes, take some rock climbing equipment, and in order to chip rocks, take some hammer.
What should we do with that even? We'll have to break the stone or need to climb up in hills. As you ordered to me, sir.
And along with that, take 2 horse-drawn carriages. The carriages should be so strong so that we can carry huge rocks on them if we wish to.
We need to carry big stones with us. I think our sir has gone totally mad for this.
Idiot. The commander too seems to be evil. From me, he wants to know all my plans in advance. But you fool, we won't be carrying back big rocks. We'll be coming back instead with diamonds with us. But if I tell all that to you in advance, you will look for a chance and then you'll kill me and disappear with the loot. Do you think I'm such a fool? Hey, come on, go! Without making any further delay, go and make preparations.
Going right away, sir.
There's only one thing to be concerned of. With a body as mine, if eventually I have to climb the mountain, oh God! But there's such a big diamond waiting. Is this something ordinary?